occasionally around 9 feet. Saturday night, west winds to 30 knots diminishing to 15 to 25 knots. Mostly cloudy in the evening, then clearing. Waves 4 to 7 feet subsiding to 3 to 6 feet. Waves occasionally around 9 feet. Sunday, southwest winds 15 to 20 knots becoming west 5 to 15 knots. Mostly sunny. Waves 2 to 4 feet subsiding to 1 to 3 feet. The water temperature off Toledo is 39 degrees, off Cleveland 37 degrees, and off Erie 38 degrees. Here is a hazardous weather outlook for the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Licking, Madison, Pickaway, and Union. Now here is a hazardous weather outlook for east central Indiana, southeast Indiana, central Ohio, south central Ohio, southwest Ohio, and west central Ohio. For this afternoon and tonight, please listen to NOAA Weather Radio or go to weather.gov. On the internet for more information about the following hazards: flood watch. And now the extended outlook for the period Saturday through Thursday. Please listen to NOAA Weather Radio or go to weather.gov. On the internet for more information about the following hazards: flood watch. Wind advisory. Any river flooding that develops may linger into Sunday and early next week. Spotters are asked to report any significant weather when they can safely do so. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. A low-pressure system will impact the region through Saturday with the heaviest rain tonight and gusty winds on Saturday. A quiet day is expected on Sunday before another system moves through Sunday night into Monday. Another system will bring additional widespread precipitation to the region next Friday. Here are the 5 p.m. weather conditions at the John Glenn Columbus International Airport. Under cloudy skies, the temperature was 42 degrees and the relative humidity 67%. The wind northeast at 9 miles an hour. The barometric pressure was 29.93 inches and steady. And now the conditions for selected locations across Ohio. Rickenbacker Airport, cloudy and 42. In Delaware, cloudy and 36. At Marion, haze and 42. In Lancaster, cloudy and 41. At Newark, cloudy and 43. Up in Cleveland, cloudy and 38. Down in Cincinnati, light rain and fog and 44. And over in Dayton, cloudy and 40. Once again at 5 p.m. at the John Glenn Columbus International Airport, it was 42 degrees under cloudy skies. The preliminary climate summary for Columbus on Friday, March 24th. The high temperature so far was 47 at 1:52 a.m. The normal high is 54. The record high is 84, set in 1910. The low temperature so far was 38 at 8:57 a.m. The normal low is 34. The record low is 11, set in 1974. Since midnight, there were 0.83 of an inch of precipitation reported. Sunset this evening is at 7:48 p.m. For Saturday, sunrise will be at 7:27 a.m. and sunset 7:49 p.m. Here is a flood watch for the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Licking, Madison, Pickaway, and Union. Flood watch remains in effect through Saturday afternoon. What? Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. Where? For the following counties in Indiana: Dearborn, Fayette Inn, Franklin Inn, Ohio, Ripley, Switzerland, Union Inn and Wayne. In Kentucky: Boone, Bracken, Campbell, Carroll, Gallatin, Grant, Kenton, Lewis, Mason, Owen, Pendleton, and Robertson. In Ohio: Adams, Brown, Butler, Champaign, Clark, Claremont, Clinton, Dark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Ohio, Franklin, Ohio, Greene, Hamilton, Highland, Hocking, Licking, Logan, Madison, Miami, Montgomery, Pickaway, Pike, Preble, Ross, Scioto, Shelby, Union, Ohio, and Warren. When? Through Saturday afternoon. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. People in the watch area should keep an eye on the weather and be prepared for immediate action should heavy rains and flooding occur or a flash flood warning be issued. Avoid low-lying areas and be careful when approaching highway dips and underpasses. This is NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio Station KIG 86, Columbus, Ohio. Broadcasting on a frequency of 162.55 MHz and serving Central Ohio, including Columbus and vicinity. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service office at Wilmington, Ohio. The National Weather Service 8 to 14-day outlook for Central Ohio for the period Saturday, April 1st through Friday, April 7th is calling for below normal temperatures and near normal precipitation. Normal temperatures for the John Glenn Columbus International Airport for the period have high temperatures averaging 59 degrees and lows averaging 39 degrees. Precipitation over the 7-day period averages 0.78 inches. Flood watch remains in effect through Saturday afternoon. For Perry, Jackson, and Vinton counties, flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible through Saturday afternoon. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas.